Contents, select the Highways layer and open the Feature Layer Labeling ribbon. In the Label class group, change the field to Highway Symbol. In the Text Symbol group, click the Text Symbol Style drop-down, then scroll down to find and select the Shield 8 symbol. In the Label Placement group, click the Label Placement Style drop-down and select the Shield option. In Contents, check the box beside Highways to turn on the labels. In the Labeling Visibility Range group, set the Out Beyond limit to 1 to 1 million. Zoom in to 1 to 1 million to see the labels. Then return to the full extent of the map.